first firearm, Glock 19. I'm pretty safe, but I don't feel proficient enough to carry daily yet. Any tips on safety or how not to get arrested? I'm from Connecticut.
Go train. Go to the range more. Get comfortable with it. You need to definitely like train because you want to be efficient where you pull that thing out and you know exactly what you're doing. So when I was in the academy, bro, I literally shot hundreds of hours, dude, and that's what it's gonna be. So I would say find a shooting range, go there, practice every other day, as much time as you have.
And I want to thank. Actually, no, let's do these first.
That's actually a good habit some of y'all can get into is shooting.